I'm not a YouTube guru, but I monetized 2 YouTube channels, and till the end of this video you will know how to do it too. Hello everyone, my name is Katie, and my first experience with YouTube was pretty sucks. And just like you, I saw this huge amount of videos that tell you about quick success on YouTube, how to gain a lot of viewers or how to reach 4,000 hours and monetize the channel. And above all, the tips about titles, hashtags, descriptions for the video to reach more viewers as possible. I get really valuable information about what exactly can attract in shortest period of time the most as possible views. So here where I start the part 1, where I will share with you how exactly I got monetized. Let's start with a simple fact. If you're directed to get monetization on your YouTube channel in the shortest possible time, you have to know how to analyze the market to understand what content exactly will attract as much as possible views. I started the first YouTube channel in 2023. It was dedicated to one of my biggest hobbies, photography editing, and I pretty quickly understood that not every niche and every topic allow you to gain many views in a short period of time. So in 2024, I started to explore more YouTubers to understand what are tips or secret tricks. And I found those 2 amazing guys who I watched very often because I enjoyed valuable insights about how you can develop YouTube channel today. Links on these channels will be in the description of this video, so you can watch those guys by yourself and get the same inspiration. I got a hint that choosing the topics that first of all interesting for me and second of all is very popular at exactly period of time I start my YouTube channel. And this was the topic that was connected with the series, and based on this time it was about launching Bridgerton season 3. That's why I was right away understood that I'm going to jump into this topic and start create content that will be based on this series. I took some time to analyze what already exists on the YouTube or TikTok videos, what exactly videos gain a lot of views and what they present. So I got the inspiration from all of this and created the channel. My goal was just as yours, to be monetized as fast as possible. For this I had to understand what are main requirements of monetization, and if you still don't know, here are shortly about them. You have to have 1,000 subscribers on your channel. You have to have or 10 million views on your short content in the past 3 months, or 4,000 watch hours on your long form videos in the past year. I watched a lot of YouTube videos based on the monetization on short content. That's why I decided to start exactly with this type of content, and I was sure that my topic plus short content have to just crash the market. So I posted my first short and I waited for a huge amount of views right away because it was around a month till the new season of the series that I'm based my content on would be launched. Just in 2 weeks I already could notice that some of the shorts started to gain more views comparing to their previous shorts. So in a month after daily publishing of 1 or 2 shorts per day, I had already 450 subscribers on the channel. But at the same time, views on the shorts didn't cheer me at all because my biggest shorts was around 50k views, which means that it's pretty hard to gain 20 million views in 3 months. This is how I came to the idea to start to post long form videos, and I was hoped that I can reach faster watch hours. With 450 subscribers on the channel that were interested exactly in the topic I shared, I started to post long form videos that started to show pretty well amount of views right away. So my first long video was posted in 1 month after starting the channel, and already in the middle of the second month my channel reached 1,000 subscribers, which mostly was based exactly on the shorts videos. That's why I consider shorts content is super important if you want to gain 1,000 subscribers as fast as possible. After posting around 5 long form videos, which I try to keep 1 or 2 long videos per week, one video boosted and just in 5 days it brought me already 50k views. But pretty amazing stuff happened right after this when I posted a few more videos, and one of them in 24 hours showcased 20k views, then in 1 week it showcased 100k views, and in a few more days it showcased already 200k views. So as you understood already, exactly the long form videos allowed me to reach 4k watching hours just in a matter of days. And this all thanks just 2 videos. One video was on 4 minutes and another video was on 6 minutes. But of course, thanks to already some amount of people who were very interesting exactly in this topic, thanks to shorts, these videos were boosted very fast. This was exactly the moment when season 3 of Bridgerton just launched, and everybody was into it and everybody was interested in this topic series and everybody searched for this on YouTube. This is why a combination of using the viral topic and be consistent like together will bring you just the same results. Exactly at this point of time, I started actively use the second channel and started upload basically the same content, only I changed the language. If my primary channel was based on English-speaking audience, then my second channel was based in Spanish-speaking audience. And I have to mention, I don't know Spanish at all, but the fact that many comments were in Spanish, I thought that this may be a pretty interesting idea to try, use the same content only translated in another language. And as you may already understand, it works just the same way, and in a month my second channel reached the same 4,000 of watch hours and was available to monetization as well. So to sum up, in 3 months after starting each of YouTube channel, I could reach the point where I can apply to monetization program. But it didn't mean at all that I started to earn money. The moment when you applied on monetization and the actual moment when you can withdraw money for making content on YouTube, it's two completely different worlds. And next part of this video will be exactly of the process, how you actually get monetized and got your first money from the YouTube. So the whole process can be split on two important steps. When you get notification in your YouTube studio that you're now available to apply on monetization program, you have to click the button and send a request to the YouTube team so they could check your channel and make their decision if none of YouTube policies are violated and everything is in order. Since you send the request, you may wait from 24 hours to a few days for the answer. Once again, I cannot mention enough how important it is to get acquainted with all YouTube policies before you start to work on your YouTube channel and before you start daily publishing of videos. Of course, if you create content by yourself and you're author, there are no problems and you don't need to worry about it. But if you reuse someone's content, it's essential for you to know all moments and all important steps, how exactly you can use someone's content. So be sure to read all possible YouTube policies about copyright, conditions of fair use, and so on, to feel calm and have peace of mind when you start to share content. When you got the answer from YouTube team that your channel is available for monetization and it's monetized, you got a new button in your YouTube studio where you can check all your content, and near your videos, as long videos as shorts videos, appear a sign of money, and you know for sure that everything is going well and your content is started to bring you money. And if you still don't understand what exactly monetization means that you can start to earn money from your videos, allowing to show ads on your videos. But at the same time, with this basic monetization come many other bonuses from YouTube platform. For example, you can have membership on your channel, which allow you to offer subscription and people pay you per month for opportunity to watch some additional content on your channel. Also, you have some special thank you button under your videos that allow viewers to leave you like a tips for your video. Or you can place direct links inside your videos on the shop or on the website, which allow people right away to get from your video to a place where you can make a purchase. So there are really many different cool bonuses that YouTube platform prepared for you as soon as you reach monetization. But as I mentioned, between you got monetization on your channel and you actually got the money from your video is a whole huge process. And this process requires the next second step, and this is creating Google Ads. Exactly, Google Ads source for you where you can withdraw money. So basically you cannot withdraw money from YouTube. The system exists where your money from YouTube channel goes into your Google Ads account, and only from there you can withdraw them on your card. Creating Google Ads account may be tricky, and exactly this process takes the most of time, because to activate the Google Ads account you will need to receive the letter on your address with a special code that will allow you to activate the account. So after you activated the Google Ads account, this is time for you to wait for your money to come. But YouTube payment system has a special schedule. So for example, if you earn money in June, they will be withdrawn from YouTube channel to your Google Ads only at the end of July. And if this amount didn't reach threshold in $70, you will not be able to withdraw them from Google Ads, and you will need to wait another month till the end of August, so your earnings from July already could join earnings from June, and you could have amount that you can withdraw. So basically something that you earn in this month will be available to withdraw only in the end of the next month. But just as fast as monetization can come on your channel, the same fast it can go. And this is exactly what happens with me. In the next part of this video, I will share with you how I lost my monetization and what lessons I made from this. I reached very fast monetization exactly because the series I was based my content on was into the step of its fresh new season and everybody talked about it. That is why when the time passed, it's obviously that amount of views dropped, and with even monetized channel, I started to earn very small money, like $500 per month. That is why I started to search for a new ways of using and presenting this content. I found very interesting idea on YouTube, exactly some fresh channels started to create the same type of content I had, but with slightly different idea, and this content gained a lot of views. That is why I just jumped into this style and started to create videos based on the new ideas. And this was my mistake because at this point I was worried about as much as possible views and I didn't worry on YouTube policies. What was the hugest mistake in the moment when you use someone's content. So after earning 4 months on my new channels, I got a notification on one of the channel. This channel will be demonetized in 7 days. Basically, this can be the worst notification that you ever got on your YouTube channel. But in the same time, this is not so scary as it sounds, because you still have a chance to claim that your YouTube channel do nothing wrong, and you just need to prove it with showcasing your editing steps, how you gain information, how you create your content, and how you change the value and repurpose this content, especially if you use someone's content. This is what I did. I created a huge video about what content I share, how I create this content, and so on. And if usually review such claims take around few days, I got answer pretty quickly on my YouTube channel, and this was answer that my YouTube channel demonetized. So after gain monetization just in 3 months on the channel, I could drop it in 4 months after earnings. Even though my channel was demonetized, I have a chance to claim it again only after 3 months, which means that 3 months my videos will not bring me anything on this channel. But when I thought the demonetization of my channel was the worst thing, I didn't expect that all my money from the past month and in this month that I got demonetized channel will be just frozen. So I couldn't withdraw anything starting from this month where my channel is demonetized, and taking the previous months, all income was just frozen. So let's sum up all the information from this video in some very short but very valuable lessons. First, fast monetization on YouTube is possible and real, and you can gain it even in 3, 2 or less months. Second, analyzing trading topics is a key. You need to analyze the market and understand what's exactly content viral at this point of time. You will able to find this content by watching YouTube shorts or by watching TikTok videos based on the times they were uploaded and based on the amount of views they gained for this short period of time. Of course, you can try to focus on something that you're interested in. For example, in my case, it was photography editing tutorials, but still you have to understand that if you would want to focus on something very narrow, you cannot expect the fast growth. Fast growth may happen if this is topic exactly now very popular and very interesting for people. So for the test, if you would like to reach monetization as fast as possible on your new YouTube channel, just try to focus on some viral topics at this moment of time, and I promise you it will happen. Third, if you don't create your own content and want to publish someone's content, this is very important, so you could dive in all the possible policies of YouTube platform that tells about how exactly correct you can create content that doesn't belong to you. Here on the screen you can see a few moments that I basically got when I got notification about demonetization of my channel, and this shows what exactly and how exactly you can use someone's content without harm to your own channel. Pay attention, make screenshots, save to yourself, and double check all these points again and again when you start to create content that created not by you. I would recommend you to analyze what niches in YouTube can bring you the most income. For example, I was in entertainment niche, and I have to say that this is probably one of the lowest income niche, just because it's very wide, very popular. Many channels exist that share movies, series, and so on. So be sure to read articles and just get acquainted with information which exactly niches bring you the most income, because if you would like to start already earn on YouTube, you have to start to make it correctly and take the most of it. And the last point, if you want to get monetization on your YouTube channel very fast, you have to stay consistent and you have to be patient. Consistency is a key, because if you post as many content as possible, you have much more chances to attract more viewers, more audience for your channel. And if you're patient about what you're doing and you believe that this topic that you chose really will work, work, then you have to stick to this no matter what. The only thing, perhaps, if content you started to share doesn't show you a big views in 2 or 3 weeks or even a month, it wasn't a good niche and you just need to change it or adjust it somehow. So just keep an eye on all these moments, and I'm pretty sure that if you're directed on getting monetization, you will definitely get it. Thank you very much for staying with me in this video till the end. I hope it was a lot of valuable information for you. Write in comments below what exactly niche is interesting for you and what your YouTube channel you would like to be based on, and I see you in the new video. Bye bye.